Skehti ja Lentävänniemi.
Today is the 30th of September 2021, the last day of September. Now we have Männistönkuja 3 stakes E here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Pirkanmaa, Finland, to which one they are constructing or extending the Tampere light rail line by 2024, but first to Santalahti in 2023. The capacity is 4 persons or 320 kilograms, and this was also built in 1971, turning 50 years old this year in 2021. And the SIN number is H25101 with 7 floors. It will be inspected in 2023. That's right. We have been in the first 4 staircases, and we still have 2 left to be filmed.
Yeah. I filmed staircase D in 2013.
And you did it before me. Because this for me is first time I'm here.
Yeah.
But we would have gone here before also, but we forgot it because we have been to many other suburbs here.
Yeah.
In Tampere, of course, but we're here today.
Yeah.
I like these windows on the doors. They're so typically 60s, 70s.
Yeah.
And I've seen that, of course, on even early 1990s elevators also. Because that's some feature that they also used.
Yeah.
I don't know really why they put that type of windows, but
Inspekteet kiva inspektoida, me teet på Kone.
yeah. That K is actually upside down.
Yeah.
Or it's like it's the wrong way.
Yeah.
It's mirrored. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's